Hello friends, I hope you guys are doing good. I would be covering very interesting, tricky question today. So how can you create your own upper function? When I say own upper function means your function should do the same which inbuilt Oracle upper function is doing, right? So you will be thinking, what is the need to have your own upper function, right? Sometimes interviewer can ask these type of questions. Why? Because they want to evaluate your query writing abilities. See, there can be numerous ways to write a query and produce the same output, right? So sometimes you will have to think in such a way that how can you produce the same output by using different methods, different queries, different scripts, right? So let us focus on this today. So the requirement is very clear, right? I hope, let me reiterate. We want to write our own upper function, which will do the same thing what Oracle upper function is doing, right? And you should be able to call your own upper function in the same way as well, right? So if I write upper, now if I write Tokyo, okay, from dual. So what will happen, right? This particular string would automatically be converted in uppercase through Oracle, right? Now, how can you do the same thing? Suppose I want to write my upper, right? Something like this one, my upper. And if I pass the same string or column name over here, right? It should do the same thing. How can you do that? So if you want, just take a pause for a while. Okay, you can pause the video, try to think like what can be the way when this same result can be achieved. Okay, then you can continue watching this video, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to first of all create one PLSQL block. Why PLSQL block? It is very easier to debug the PLSQL block, right? If I start writing the function directly, I will have to call it through some select query. What I am going to do, I am going to create a PLSQL block first, and then we will convert it into a function. So let us see how we can create the PLSQL block doing the same thing. Okay. Let's start. Declare. Okay, what do we need? We need first of all one string which we are going to convert, right? LB string str, that is going to be your varchar, right? Let us take 1000, then give a b c d e z, okay, like this. Then some number we also need to give. What number? It should be varchar 2, okay. Number len, okay, that is going to be your length for this particular variable, this one abcdez. And then what we are going to do, let us start, right? We will write begin and then for v in 1 2 lv len loop and loop and, okay, we need to assign this lv len length of what? Length of this string, okay. And then simply dbms output dot put line, okay, and then sub str, okay. Let me take the variable for the sub str as well, okay. So lv str sub str, it is sstr, okay, varchar 2 1. So what it is going to do, it is going to take the substring value lv sstr, okay. It's going to be substr of this one, then comma v comma 1, right? Simple. Let's make the things very simple. Why we are doing that, I will simply tell you in a while. Okay, so now if I run this program, then let us see what will happen. Okay, it is giving some error on the put line. A B C D E Z, right? You are getting all the values. Why I am doing that? First of all, what I will do, I will generate these alphabets as a separate alphabets from the string. Then I will try to find out the ASCII value of all these alphabets, right? So over here, what I am going to do, I am going to write LV ASC, okay, and that is going to be your number. So over here, do one thing, LV ASC is ASCII. ASCII of what? ASCII of this one. Okay. Now again we will print this one. Now this value. Okay. So if I run the program, what I'm getting now? See, A is 97, B is 98, C is 99. Right? So smaller A is having the value of 97 and smaller Z is having the value of 122. What I'm going to do, I will also try to get the value of capital A, right? And then capital Z. So again I will run the same program. Okay. Now what I'm getting? A is 65. See, that was 97. Okay. And this is 65. So what I'm going to do, it means small a and capital A, right? What is the difference in the value? The difference is around 27 characters are there, right? So you will have to take the same. So if I write like this and run the script, I am getting A is 97, B is 65. So what will happen? If you are getting 97, you have to minus around 32 characters, right? To get this 65. What I'm going to do, I am going to put like this. Okay. Minus 32. Okay. Let me see what will happen. Okay. Now I am getting, if I run this program right for you, what I am getting A is 65. What I am going to do, I am again going to convert it. Okay. How I am going to convert it? See, like this. Now there is a function which you can use, that is CHR. Okay. CHR converts the ASCII value again to the characters. Now let us see the result. So now if you see, A has been converted to A, right? Okay. What I am going to do, I will do the simple math, right? I will remove this thing first. Okay. And then I am going to put only small characters over there. So like Tokyo. Okay. Now let me simply clear the output and run the script. Now what it is giving? See, T, then all the characters are now converted. Okay. So one thing you have now got. But still there is a issue. The issue is that all the characters are actually coming as a separate character. Okay. These are not coming as a string, the whole string like Tokyo, right? You are not getting that. How you are going to get that? Let us add one more variable, that is going to be your LV final string. Okay. Varchar 2. So we will take 32767. Okay. Over here also we don't need to do over there. Okay. 32767. What I am going to do, I am going to, since this is a loop, right, I will mention like this. LV final string is LV final string, then append it, right? Append it what? Append it with this value, right? This value. Like that. Okay. And then at the end, what you need to do, you simply need to print the LV final string. Okay. Like this. So let us try to run and see what will happen. So first of all, I am going to clear the output. Okay. Great. You can see the result, right? Now you are passing Tokyo and you are now getting it in the caps. Okay. But still our work has not been done, right? So this is not a function first of all. And then we should also put some if clause. So why I'm saying that, because let me write it down. Suppose if you get like 1 2 3, okay, and then caps also, then Tokyo, what will happen, right? Now if I run the script for this string, see what you are getting. You are getting squares 44 Tokyo. That is not what you want, right? So it is converting lower caps into upper, but the other characters also, right? The numeric characters or some special characters are being converted incorrectly. So how to handle that? So in this case, we need to put a where clause. Okay. So here I am taking the ASCII value. What I am going to write, if lv ASCII more than equal to 97 and lv ASCII less than equal to 122. Okay. Then go to this one, right? Else what you are going to do, right? You don't want to do anything at that time. Else what I'm going to do, I am going to concatenate this one with what? With the same value, whatever is coming, right? With this one, basically. Okay. Now, and if. So let's try to run now. If you see 1 2 3 TT TOK for you, right? Perfect. Okay. Now if I write only and then, okay, let us see what we are going to get. We are going to get the correct result over here. If I write only numerical characters, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Then what will happen? Then yeah, everything is working perfectly fine, whatever we need, but still it is not a function. What we are going to do? We are simply going to convert that into a function. How you are going to do that? Create or replace function myUpper, right? myUpper, and then maybe some string you will have to pass, right? So pstr in varchar2 return varchar2 as. Okay. So first of all, you don't need this one lvstr. Where you are using the lvstr, actually you can use pstr, or what you can do, you can copy this thing over there and don't initialize this one, and at the first you can write begin and then lvstr equal to pstr, so that have your value, right? And at the end, since it is a function now, you will have to return, right? Return what? Return lv final string. Perfect. dbms output, basically we don't need. I am going to comment all these. Okay. Perfect. Let me try to compile this one. Okay. So, okay, it has been compiled. Maybe you are not able to see. I think let me compile it one more time. Function myUpper compiled. Perfect. Now what? We are going to test this function. Okay. I am going to create a separate sheet. Okay. And now select star from test data. Let me see. Okay. We have fname, comma, upper fname. Okay. So this is Oracle inbuilt upper function. Now I'm going to use my function. What is that? My upper. Okay. Fname. See, you are getting the same output. Perfect. Okay. That is how you can do this. Let us do some more test. What I am going to write? 1 2 3 abc xyz @gmail.com. Let us use the same string over here as well. Okay. And then see what will happen. See. result is totally same. Almost everything is same. There is no error, right? Okay, let me put something else. Special characters, some space. Okay, same thing over here. See, so result is same. So this my upper function is giving you the same result whatever you are getting from the Oracle inbuilt function. So if you have any queries, concerns, questions, okay, or any confusion, do let me know through comment section. And see, don't try to implement this type of functions in your office work, right? Never on production. This is just an interview question. Whatever function Oracle has provided, right? Always try to use that because that is going to give you the best performance. Okay, this function is not optimized. So this user function, if you are going to try and try that in your office related stuff, any of your non-prod or prod environments, that definitely can give you a lot of glitches. Okay, so just make a note of that. And I hope this was a new learning for you. Please do like and subscribe as well. Thank you for watching.